everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you that how can you create a new password on your Instagram without entering your old password. So let's get into the video. First of all, open up your Instagram application and log into your account. And after logging into your account, you just have to move towards your profile and then tap on the three lines in the top right of your screen. Go to settings and privacy, and now you have to tap on account center, and in account center you'll find the option of password. You'll have to tap on it and it will give you option of enter your current password and then set your new password. So the next step which you are going to do is just simply tap on forgetting your password, and it will send a security code or a link on your number or your email address. Okay, as you can see, after some times I have received text message from Instagram, and after opening that text message, there's a link. Just simply tap on it and open that link, and it will give you the option of your new password. You can set your new password from there without entering your old password. So that's how you can do it, and I hope this video will help you a lot in any way. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you do, like, share and subscribe to our channel. By following these steps, you can change your new password without entering your old password.